channel. My name is Destiny, and today I am just going to be doing a fun, cute hairstyles that you can do on your straight natural hair, because as you can see, my hair is just in a bun. Yeah, so if you are interested in this video, please keep on watching. So what you will need for this video, what I'm going to be using basically is I'm going to be using some dry shampoo, and this will just be for if my hair is looking a little flat in certain areas, just to add the volume back in. So this is just the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak dry shampoo. See, if I need to do my edges, I'm gonna go in with my edge control, the Creme Honey edge control, and a brush. Like Ouchless goodies, like hair ties right here. Just do a few of the styles. I have a rat tail comb, detangling brush. All right, let's get started. And this is what I'm working with. This will definitely probably be my last straight hair video because I will be going back curly soon. You know, I'm kind of over the straight hair. It's been fun, but I'm just ready for the curly hair now. First, I'm just gonna separate my hair. I usually do have a curl right here, so it may not look as good just because this isn't as curled, and this used to be a bang, but it's just a little shorter than the rest of my hair. I would cut it again, but then it looks crazy while it's curly, so I don't know. Okay. There we go. With one of these hair ties. The next look is going to be half up, half down without a bang. Like I'm 16, even though I'm 31. So yeah, but it's cute. This is look number 2, just a cute half up, half down. So number 3, I think we're gonna do we'll rock it towards more the back, because if you want to be more, a little less kid-like, we're gonna do this next one. So I don't know if I'm quite doing it right, but basically this is just more of a simplistic look, especially for the girls who, you know, don't want to look like they're 5 years old or 16. Would a 16-year-old even wear that? Now that I think about it, but anyway. Yeah, this is look number 3. Cute and simple. Okay. If my looks are everywhere, please forgive me, because I'm like thinking about it as I go, so. Because y'all get the idea. It doesn't have to be a perfect part, so yeah. Not quite even, but I think you get the point. This is personally my favorite one to wear. Like, I wear this just randomly sometimes, or like to work and stuff. I just think it's so cute. Like, it's just so cute. So this is look number 4. Alright, so this was just a quick video on some fun hairstyles that I could think of from the top of my head. So thank you so much for watching. If you did click on this video, I do appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you care. Hope you all have a blessed day. And see you next time. Bye!